Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 9. So in the last class we have started with exercise number 1.5. In that we have studied the exercise for the first main and second main. In this video or in this session you are going to study the exercise number 1.5, that is which question? That is a fourth question. Represent a root of 9.3 on the number line. So how to represent a root of 9.3 on the number line you are going to study in this video. Okay, so see here. So you already know a root of 9.3. So see here, first of all what you have to do, just you have to take your scale, just go through your ruler. Okay, so all of you take your ruler and extend from 0 to, that is from 0 to 9.3. I'll explain. I will take 0 to 9.3. So I'll call this as 9.3 and this I call as AO. Okay, so I take from A to O and this I call as 9.3 and extend 1 more centimeter and extend 1 more centimeter, that is I'll extend 1 more centimeter, that is I'll expand 1 more centimeter. I will call this as B. Okay, so I call this as B. Okay, so now see, now it is A, O is 9.3 and this is 1 centimeter. So now next what you have to do, just take your compass, all of you, just you have to take the compass. Okay, and next one, keep a point on A and take more than half. Take more than half and cut the arc. Cut the arc. I cut it here. Similarly this one. So I cutted this 2R, so I extend this line. Okay, and this point I call this as AO, this I call as C, or this I call as C. Okay, now keep on the semicircle. So keep on the point C and draw the semicircle like this. So like this, you go on drawing this semicircle. Okay, so you will get this as a semicircle, and this point you call this as point D and this point you call as B. I call this point as P. Okay, so I call this point as P. Okay, so now what you have to do, now just take your protractor, or you can use the compass also. Take the protractor or you can use the compass also. Keep on the point O and see the 90 degree. So 90 degree will be here. Okay, so 90 degree will be here. So just you draw this line. So this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is using the protractor. So this is the 90 degree. Okay, so this is now 90 degree. So but what? So I call this as point Q. I call this as point Q. Okay, so now from B, what do you do? Extend some line. You extend some line and again you take as your compass. Keep on the point Q and just draw this an arc. Okay, so draw this an arc. After drawing this an arc, so this is your required 9.3 on the number line. Okay, similarly from this point, just to draw one hypotenuse, and this is using this one, using the Pythagoras equation, we will get the equation, or is the root of 9.3. Okay, so see now, so you know that you apply, I write here, apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, you already know the statement you have studied, that is hypotenuse square is equals to base square is a plus of perpendicular square. Okay, so our hypotenuse square is equals to, you are having as this as CQ square, which is equals to OC square plus of OQ square. You are having as CQ square is equals to OC square plus of OQ square according to the equation. Okay, so now see, so this AB is your it is 9.3. Okay, so AB, but we need as CO or OQ. So this CO and OQ are, this is the semicircle. Okay, so both are having the equal length, that is OC is equals to OC. So this AB I represent this as this O up to A, that is AO. This AO I represent as X, and this X plus of 1. Okay, so I write as CQ. I write CQ is equals to, or CO is equals to, I write X plus 1 by 2. Okay, similarly, if I want the length of O, that is CQ is equals to OC is equals to, you got as X plus 1 by 2, but I want the length of which one? I want length of OQ I need to find. So how to find the length of OQ? So just observe here. So see here now, I have taken this CQ is equals to CB I need to take. So I take this CB is equals to X plus 1 by 2, and similarly I write CO is equals to X minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I want this, and now CQ square, I write this as equation as CQ square minus of OC square is equals to OQ square. Okay, CQ square is equals to, as it is, I take OC to this side, LHS, that is minus of OC square, which is equals to OQ square. Okay, so now see, I write first this as OQ square, which is equals to CQ square minus of OC square. Okay, so I need to find the OQ square. Okay, so to find the OQ square, I take one, I'll solve here. I need to find the value of OQ square. Okay, so I need to find, so I will use here, that is OQ square we don't know, OQ square we didn't know. So but we know CQ square is equals to, you can write as X plus 1 whole square minus of, next one you are having as OC square is equals to, you are having as X minus 1 whole square. Okay, so you are having as OQ square is equals to X plus 1 by 2 whole square minus of X minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so now see, OQ square is equals to, you are having as X square. Next, use A plus B whole square formula. You have to use this formula, this. Okay, so see here, A plus B whole square formula you have to use, that is A square plus B square plus of 2AB, and similarly this formula, that is A minus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square minus of 2AB. Okay, so these two formulas you have to use and you have to solve. So see here, OQ square is equals to, you have X square plus 2X, that is X plus of 1 whole divided by 4 minus of X square plus of, that is minus 2X plus of 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, so this you need to write. Okay, now see, which is equals to, now it is 4, I take root on both the sides. So I take root on both sides, so root of OQ square is equals to, I write root of, that is X square plus of 2X plus 1 by 4 and minus of X square minus of, so what I do, I take, that is X square minus 2X plus 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, so now next step what I have to do, see here dear students, next step what I do, now see, take the LCM. So I write root of OQ square. So I write root of OQ square is equals to, I write X square plus of 2X plus 1 as it is. So now minus becomes plus and plus will become as minus. So okay, see here, so I written in this form, so just multiply inside this. So just multiply minus sign, so minus into plus is minus of, so I'll write this as minus X square. Next, minus into minus is plus of 4X. Next is minus into plus is minus 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, so now see, this is plus X square and this is minus X square, gets cancelled, and this is plus 2X and this is also plus 2X. Okay, so this is also plus 2X will 4X plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So root of OQ square, which is equals to, you will guess this as OQ square is equals to 2x plus 2x is equals to 4x by 4. So again 4 get cancelled, so remaining is OQ square. So OQ square is equals to, so see here, this OQ square, this square and root get cancelled, remaining is OQ is equals to root of x. So OQ is equals to root of x. So root of x is your required answer. So x is equals to, you know that it is x is equals to 9.3 and a root of x is equals to root of 9.3. Okay, so this I hope so you have understood. So you got OQ square is equals to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so just OQ square is equals to, use a plus b whole square formula, you will get this as x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 4 minus of, use again a minus b whole square formula, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 whole divided by 4. Now both sides you take as root. So root of OQ square is equals to root of x square plus 2x plus 1 by 4 minus of x square minus 2x plus 1 by 4. Okay, so now see x square plus 2x plus 1, multiply this minus sign inside of minus x square plus of 4x minus 1. So you'll get this as this plus x square minus x square get cancelled, plus 2x, the plus 2x is 4x plus 1 minus get cancelled. So you will get as root of OQ square is equals to root of 4x by 4. This next step, this square and root get cancelled, remaining is OQ and this is root of x. So x is equals to, you know, it is 9.3. Okay, so this is, go through this video, okay, and solve this example, and this is very very important for your further future. So all of you note down this problem. So dear students, now this is the last problem, that is the last part of your exercise, that is solving exercise number 1.5, that is rationalize the denominator. So in the previous video you have learned the rationalize the denominator, as you have seen. So okay, some two problems I am going to solve, some two problems are there for your homework and you have to solve, and this completes your exercise number 1.5. Okay, so in the next video I am going to solve the laws of exponents. So laws of exponents I am going to solve. So see here how to solve this problem. So this is 1 by root 7. So I want to rationalize this. So 1 divided by root 7, I multiply root 7 into root 7 on numerator and denominator both side. So you'll get this root 7 into 1, you will get this as root 7, and this root 7 into root 7, you will get this as root 7 whole square. So this square and root get cancelled. So remaining is, what will remaining? So remaining is root 7 by 7. Again as root 7 by 7. Okay, similarly comes to the one more example of, that is second main. What your second main says, I'll going to solve here. So see here it is 1 divided by root 7 minus of root 6, means I need to rationalize this denominator. So how to rationalize? I multiply and divide with the same by changing the operation, that is root 7 plus of root 6 whole divided by root 7 plus of root 6. Okay, so root 7 plus of root 6 into 1, which is equals to equal as numerator 7 root 7 plus of root 6. Similarly, this is a minus b and a plus b, so you will get this as root 7 whole square minus of root 6 whole square. Okay, so this root and square get cancelled, root and square get cancelled, so remaining is, that is root 7 plus of root 6 whole divided by 1, that is nothing but it is root 7 plus of root 6. Okay, so this is root 7 plus of root 6. Okay, so just to go through these two examples, and remaining two examples are there that you have to solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. And similarly this completes your exercise number 1.5, and one more question, that is from third question you are having 1.5, that is you have to solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. In the next video I am going to solve the laws of exponents. So how to solve the laws of exponents I am going to solve in the next class.